Corporation at ng Golden Artist Development Corporation at McDonald's. A public service announcement by the tapos na yung newspaper. Tapos na Bagyo Milenyo. This is outside broadcast newspaper. On assignment. Si President Bush. Edition today. Ongoing. Attorney Claire Castro. Si Pangulong mo ang your public service channel, a public service announcement. President Bush, your election coverage. Jollibee Kids Party. Si Pangulong Marcos administration dito sa happy anniversary a public service announcement by QTV Channel 10, QTV Channel 12, as now it is QTV Channel 12 at now QTV. See. Pangulong photo si Pangulong Marcos. Happy. One of my ako po si a public service message by McDonald's and John Foods Corporation.